एस्पिरेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है एनालिस्ट आईएएस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो हमारा जो टॉपिक डिस्कशन के लिए है वो है इकोनॉमी एमसीक्यूज व्हिच केम इन द prelims of 2021. So in this bridge series we are discussing all the questions from 2015 to 2022 so that आपको एक आइडिया मिल पाए कि यूपीएससी किस पैटर्न में क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है। रिसेंट आप ट्रेंड देखेंगे, अगर आप इस वीडियो को 2015 से देखते हैं तो इन रिसेंट ट्रेंड्स में 20, 21, 22 अभी हम जो कल डिस्कस करेंगे इसमें बहुत कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा है यूपीएससी। स्टैटिक पोर्शन कम है बट कॉन्सेप्चुअल ज्यादा है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन 1, द मनी मल्टीप्लायर इन एन इकोनॉमी इंक्रीजेस with which one of the following? Increase in the cash reserve ratio in the banks, increase in the SLR in the banks, increase in banking habit of the people, increase in the population of the country. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So the money multiplier in an economy increases by the banking habit of people. In a fractional banking system, money multiplier is a key element. As more people will start banking and depositing money into the banks, banks will lend even more money to other customers and thus it will create more money supply in the system. ये टोटल पब्लिक के हाथ में कैश कितना और अकाउंट्स में बैंक बैलेंस कितना है उसको मिला के मनी मल्टीप्लायर होता है। तो यही है। सो इट विल इंक्रीज। क्वेश्चन सेकंड, विद रेफरेंस टू द इंडियन इकोनॉमी, डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन कैन बी कॉज्ड इंक्रीज्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? एक्सपेंशनरी पॉलिसीज, फिशल स्टिमुलस, इन्फ्लेशन इंडेक्स wages, higher purchasing power of the people, rising interest rates. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is A is your correct answer. Why is it so? Demand pull inflation is upward pressure on the prices that follows a shortage in the supply. सप्लाई में शॉर्टेज होगा तो उसकी डिमांड ज्यादा हो जाएगी, डिमांड ज्यादा हो जाएगी तो उसका प्राइस बढ़ जाएगा। सो दिस इज व्हाट डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन इज। In Indian economy, demand pull inflation can be caused or increased by expansionary policy, fiscal stimulus and higher purchasing power. Either you should know these three answers or if you go through this option number 5, rising interest rate, अगर interest rate बढ़ते हैं तो public के पास पैसा कम रहेगा, demand pull inflation नहीं हो पाएगा। So you can eliminate this statement by elimination also you get your answer as A. Question 3, with reference to India, consider the following statements. Retail investors through Demat account, they can invest in the treasury bills and government of India debt bonds in the primary market. The negotiated dealing system ordering matching is a government securities trading platform of the Reserve Bank of India. The Central Depository Services Limited is jointly promoted by the Reserve Bank of India and Bombay Stock Exchange. Which of the statements above are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is B is your correct answer, as 1 and 2 both statements are correct. Yes, the retail investors are allowed to buy government securities or these G-Secs. The RBI has recently announced that the retail investors will be provided by the access to buy government securities through online non-competitive bidding way directly from the stock exchanges. And there are two ways to buy government securities: directly buying the government and treasury bills, buying debt fund, which is the mutual funds that invest in the government securities ultimately. So the negotiated dealing system order matching is a government securities trading platform of RBI. RBI का एक और प्लेटफॉर्म है that is e-Kuber. Statement 3 wrong है. Central Depository Service Limited is the first listed Indian central securities depository based in Mumbai. So correct answer to this is 1 and 2. Question 4, in India, central banks function as the lender of the last resort, usually refers to which of the following? Lending to trade and industry bodies when they fail to borrow from other sources, providing liquidity to banks having a temporary crisis, lending to the governments to finance budgetary deficits. Select the correct answer in the code given below. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So correct answer to this is B is your correct answer. प्रोवाइडिंग लिक्विडिटी टू द बैंक, इसीलिए इसको लेंडर ऑफ द लास्ट रिजॉर्ट कहा जाता है। ट्रेड इंडस्ट्रीज आरबीआई से डायरेक्टली नहीं लेते हैं, सो यू कैन एलिमिनेट दिस। एंड गवर्नमेंट को बजटरी डेफिशिट्स भी फाइनेंस करने के लिए आरबीआई सीधा सीधा पैसा नहीं देगा, सो यू कैन एलिमिनेट दीज टू। बट वी विल सी एज अ बैंकर टू द बैंक, द रिजर्व बैंक ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज द लेंडर ऑफ द लास्ट रिजॉर्ट। इट कैन कम टू रेस्क्यू द बैंक दैट इज सॉल्वेंट बट फेसेस टेम्पररी लिक्विडिटी प्रॉब्लम्स बाय सप्लाइंग इट with much money needed liquidity when no one else is willing to extend credit to the bank. Reserve Bank of India extends this facility to protect the interest of the depositors of the bank and to prevent possible failure of the bank, which in turn may also affect the other banks and institutions and can have an adverse impact on the financial stability and thus on the economy and also on the customers. Question 5. Consider the following statements. The governor of RBI is appointed by the central government. Certain provisions of the Constitution of India give the central government the right to issue directions to the RBI in the public interest. The governor of RBI draws his power from the RBI Act. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is C is your correct answer, as 1 and 3 both statements are correct. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अगर ये पावर भी लेती है तो भी ये आरबीआई एक्ट से लेती है. So 1 is correct, 2 is wrong. Central government can give directions to the RBI as per the section 7 of the RBI Act of 1934 and not as per the constitutional provisions. The statement 3 is correct. RBI Act of 1934 is overarching framework of working of RBI. Question 6. With reference to the casual workers employed in India, consider the following statements. All casual workers are entitled to employees, okay, there is only one employees provident fund coverage. All casual workers are entitled to a regular working hours and overtime payment. The government can by notification specify that an establishment or industry shall pay wages only through its bank account. Which of the above statements is correct? Pause the video and try to attempt it. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is D is your correct answer. All statements are correct. All casual worker employees EPF के कवरेज के अंदर आते हैं. Moreover, regular working hour और overtime payment भी सबको मिलता ही है. They all are entitled to this. And government ऐसा notification दे सकती है कि जो सारे पैसे हैं वो सीधा बैंक अकाउंट से या डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर किए जाएं. Question 7. If you want to read, you can just pause the video and read it from here. Question 7. Which among the following steps is most likely to be taken at the time of an economic recession? इसको हिंदी में आर्थिक मंदी भी कहा जाएगा. Cut in the tax rate accompanied by increase in the interest rate, increase in expenditure on the public projects, increase in tax rates accompanied by reduction of the interest rate, reduction of expenditure on the public projects. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is B is your correct answer. अगर आर्थिक मंदी है, it means कि मार्केट में मनी सप्लाई कम है, तो ऐसे में अगर टैक्स रेट कम होगा बट इंटरेस्ट रेट ज्यादा होगा, इससे भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. स्टेटमेंट थर्ड, टैक्स रेट बढ़ जाएगा और इंटरेस्ट रेट कम होगा, इससे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, टैक्स देना ही पड़ेगा मार्केट में, तभी मनी सप्लाई नहीं हो पाएगी. पब्लिक प्रोजेक्ट पे एक्सपेंडिचर कम नहीं करेगी सरकार, पब्लिक प्रोजेक्ट पे बढ़ाएगी, क्योंकि अगर इन पे एक्सपेंडिचर बढ़ाती है एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा, लोग के पास पैसा जाएगा और इकोनॉमिक रिसेशन हटाने में हेल्प होगी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. Consider the following statements. Other things remain unchanged. Market demand for a good might increase. अगर उसके सब्सटीट्यूट का प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है, उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट का प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है, द गुड इज एन इंफीरियर गुड एंड द इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर इंक्रीजेस, उसके प्राइस फॉल हो जाते हैं. विच ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट्स इज आर करेक्ट? पॉज द वीडियो, ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी द आंसर. सो करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस इज A is your correct answer, which is 1 and 4. So explanation is, with increase in the price of substitute, people will favor it more. For example, tea, coffee. अगर उसके सब्सटीट्यूट का प्राइस बढ़ता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टी और कॉफी दोनों लोग पीते हैं, कॉफी का प्राइस बढ़ता है तो लोग ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि टी को चूज करना शुरू कर देंगे. सो उसका मार्केट डिमांड बढ़ जाएगा टी का. नेक्स्ट, सिंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज यूज टुगेदर, सो इट्स प्राइस विल इंक्रीज एंड द डिमांड विल फॉल. सो स्टेटमेंट सेकेंड यू कैन एलिमिनेट इट. उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो उसी के साथ की जो गुड्स होती हैं उसके जैसे आप उसके साथ यूज करते हो, जैसे मिल्क के साथ आप टी के साथ आप मिल्क यूज कर सकते हो. सो अगर उसका प्राइस बढ़ेगा तो इसका इस पर कोई असर नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट, गुड इंफीरियर इनकम लोगों की बढ़ती है. सो दिस इज नॉट ऑल्सो स्टेटमेंट विच इज करेक्ट. बट फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट, अगर उसके प्राइस फॉल होते हैं देन ऑल्सो उसके मार्केट डिमांड इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. Question 9. With reference to the urban cooperative banks in India, consider the following statements. They are supervised and regulated by local boards set up by the state governments. They can issue equity shares and preference shares. They were brought under the purview of the Banking Regulation Act of 1949 through amendment in the 1996. Select the statements given above which are correct. Pause the video, try to attempt. Now let's see the answer. So the correct answer to this is B is your correct answer, as 2 and 3. through amendment of 2020 they were brought under RBI and not under the state government. So urban cooperative banks RBI के अंदर work करते हैं. Elimination of 1, you can get your answer is 2 and 3. Indian government bond yields are influenced by which of the following? Actions of United States Federal Reserves, actions of Reserve Bank of India, inflation and short-term interest rates. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Pause the video, try to attempt. Now let's see the answer. So the correct answer to this is D is your correct answer. All of the statements are correct. Increasing rates of the US Fed Reserve will shift all the investments to the US, resulting in decline of investment in India. ये bond yield को affect करेगा. This may increase the bond interest and decrease the bond yield. Reserve Bank actions change the interest rates and liquidity. Inflation and interest rates, they also affect the bond yield. So all of the statements are correct. 11. Consider the following: foreign currency convertible bonds, foreign institutional investment with certain conditions, global depository receipts, non-residential external deposits. Which of the above can be included in foreign direct investment? Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is A is your correct answer. फॉरेन करेंसी कन्वर्टेबल बॉन्ड्स भी एफडीआई है. फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट जो शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होते हैं, एफडीआई होता है बट ये शॉर्ट टर्म होता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो ग्लोबल डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट्स भी, बट फोर्थ इज इनकरेक्ट. सो करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस इज ए. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट: द इफेक्ट ऑफ डिवैल्यूएशन ऑफ अ करेंसी इज दैट it necessarily improves the competitiveness of domestic exports in the foreign markets, increase foreign value of the domestic currency, improves the trade balance. Which of the statements is are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So your correct answer to this is A is your correct answer, which is one only. Statement first is correct. Weak domestic currency होगी, devaluation currency का हो गया मतलब वो रुपया weak हो गया जिस हिसाब से हो रहा है. इट मेक्स अ नेशन एक्सपोर्ट्स मोर कॉम्पिटेटिव, क्योंकि ज्यादा चीप हो जाएगा तो मोर कॉम्पिटेटिव हो जाएगा ग्लोबल मार्केट्स में, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली इंपोर्ट्स को एक्सपेंसिव ज्यादा बना देगा. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट करेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट टू: अ की इफेक्ट ऑफ डिवैल्यूएशन इज दैट इट मेक्स द डोमेस्टिक करेंसी चीपर रिलेटेड टू अदर कंट्रीज. सो उसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज नहीं होगी, डिक्रीज होगी, एंड ट्रेड बैलेंस को भी इंप्रूव नहीं करेगा. द वैल्यूएशन डज नॉट नेसेसरली इंप्रूव द ट्रेड बैलेंस, स्पेशली व्हेन इंपोर्ट ऑफ द करेंसी country is more than the export. This is because while revaluation increases the export, it makes the imports more expensive. So the correct answer to this is A. Which one of the following effects of creation of black money in India has been the main cause of worry to the government of India? Diversion of resources to the purchase of real estate and investment in luxury housing, investment in unproductive activities and purchase of precious stones, jewelry, gold, etc. Large donations to political parties and growth of regionalism, loss of revenue to state exchequer due to tax evasion. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So correct answer to this is D. Black money से सबसे ज़्यादा टैक्स का लॉस होता है. Increase and spread of the black money have a serious impact on the economy as it results in reduction of the government revenues. Black money is in such amount that it is said that a separate economy comprising only black money is running parallel to the current Indian economy. If only some part of the black money which has been in circulation in the economy could have been paid as taxes to the government, it would have benefited the Indian economy to the large extent. Last question of today's video: which one of the following is likely to be one of the most inflationary in its effect? Repayment of public debt, borrowing from public to finance a budget deficit, borrowing from banks to finance a budget deficit, creation of new money to finance a budget deficit. Pause the video, try to answer. Now let's see the answer. So correct answer to this is D. बजट को डेफिसिट के लिए हम नया मनी ऐसे ही नहीं छाप सकते. क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू मनी टू फाइनेंस द बजट डेफिसिट इज मोस्ट inflationary in all the other cases. Only circulation of money occurs but not creation of new money into the economy. New money infuses liquidity without any proportional asset to balance it, and creation of new money, it mostly leads to hyperinflation, which refers to rapid and unrestrained price increases in an economy, typically at rates exceeding 50% each month over time. Hyperinflation can occur in times of war, economic turmoil, and the underlying production activity, or in conjunction with central bank printing excess amount of money. So most inflationary इसमें D होगा, creation of new money to finance the budget. So this was all about today's video and session. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay tuned with the Analyst IAS for your better.